ladies and gentlemen, we got a new friend. We got a Blizzard Shock by Lloydfield. I'm kind of a Lloydfield fanboy lately. Anyway, I don't know quite the numbers. I forgot. Sorry. But it's drilled through my pen. So this is a totally different layout that I ever had. If anybody's curious about the layout, I will leave a comment and I'll get it for you. I'm sorry, kind of rushed today this morning. But anyway, we're going to see what she got. And by the way, it's a hybrid cover stock, asymmetrical. So we're going to see what we got.
Oh boy. Let's go out. Go out.
Yeah, that's going to be polished. Yeah, this thing's a beast. I really want to hook the lanes. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. What a ball. It almost came back. Almost came back with that shot. That's dangerous. Alright, that works. Cover stock. Alright, now it's got a little oil on it. Alright.
Sorry, if your order's ready, and place your orders ready. Here's your orders ready.
Likes leaving fucking pores.
I tried to play a little tighter and see if it liked it, and well, it didn't. It did, but it didn't. Get a little 215. Yeah, a little tape in there so I can keep it in the hand. Wow, 7. Good shot.
Your order's ready.
Four pin foul.
Two out, can't have 2 hands.
Callers, the side corridors are for employees only. Please do not walk out past the bow line.
I don't know about it. Get rid of that. Definitely a hybrid.
Yeah, that lane figured it out.
Likes to lead 4s. I don't know why. I'm trying to find a spot here.
Sean, your order's ready. Sean.
Hey, that's 2 in a row.
Bring it into the back bar. Brandon.
I don't know if it's transition or what, but it loves 4s. I regret this layout. Well, I don't know what's with 4 pins. 4 pins. Hey, got a messenger.
All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. What I learned, Connor, he likes to carry light. The arrow pocket is 4 pins. We have learned that today about this ball. About 3 boards out. They'll get 10. Hey, it fell. All right. Last game's 238. We finish out 670. Not bad. I'll learn. I'll do the dazzle 1 frame. And I usually stand right about here with dazzle and about 3 to 4 out with the shock. Do my review time on the Lloyd-Field Blizzard Shock hybrid cover stock, asymmetrical. Yeah, with this layout with my positive access point, it's supposed to give me a little more length, and it does. Even with my, God, even with the length, it's a ball I can't barely keep in the lanes. Now, mind you, that is a leftover house shot from the kids this morning. So I think with a heavy volume, it's a great ball, a great piece to have in the bag. And it's going to stay in my bag. I'm not going to kick it out because about a 670, you know, whoopie-doo, you know, it's a great piece. I did learn that 4 pins is his favorite treat. Keep going high in the pocket, don't know why, but I do. I try to slow it down, and I did that, and it goes right to the head pin, leave a 10. Forget about stepping in, it's not going to happen. If I even went in, it's just going to go Brooklyn. So I went out of my comfort zone a whole lot, about 4, maybe 5 boards out of my comfort zone, maybe 3, you know, give or take. Usually when I stand with a dazzle, I went out about 3 to 4, 5. That's the magic right there. I gotta get through the oil. I have to play it right into the oil. Even with that little weak layout, it's still a strong ball. Now, if you got hand and you got revs and you got the speed, all 3 combinations I say in bowling apparently that you need now. Old man like me, no. This is the ball. It will stay in my bag. I've been looking for, like I said, a hybrid cover stock to replace my Torment Evil. And this is ASIN. So I always keep 1 ASIN in my bag. So this is knocking the big bro out. I'm not carrying all pearls. Forget that. I got a pearl solid hybrid, and now the Queen, the dedicated ball I have in my bag with that nice weak layout. She's always going to stay in my bag. But yeah, there's a promotion code down there for $5 off a Bolt Wi-Fi jersey. Hey, use my code, get $5 off. And if you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, put thumbs up. I don't care. I got a 9-to-5 job. I don't do this for a living. I like subscribers and I like the sport of bowling. And yes, I am a wrong footballer. I don't need nobody to tell me in the comments I'm a wrong footballer. It says it in the channel's name. But hey, if you're here on Dixie Bow, come on in, working your 4 pins this week. That's what's going on today. It's 4 pins and 10 pins. Last week was 10s, and the week before that was 4s. A little pattern going on. But thanks for watching. Oh, and also, almost forgot, I am staffed by California Bowling. Anybody's interested in California Bowling products, hey, leave a comment down below. We'll go from there somehow. We'll somehow get in touch. But yeah, we can say
Thanks for watching.